What do we do for marketing and ads? Do we just run them the same? Do we just up our bids? One thing you need to know for sure, it gets expensive during the holidays, right? There's more people on Amazon, means way more traffic, means everybody knows that in terms of us marketers. So we spend more money on ads. That means the price for the bid goes up, our daily budget goes up, everything goes up. It does become more expensive. So one of the biggest tips that I can give you right now is increase your ad credit on Amazon. I used to have a $500 ad credit on Amazon. So that meant when I was spending money on ads, every $500, Amazon would send me an invoice and I'd have to get paid. If I didn't pay off my card or whatever, or it didn't go through, Amazon would shut down the ads and I have to get it fixed, and hopefully their system's not glitching, and it was a big pain in the butt. However, if you simply go to your ads dashboard, contact Amazon Ads support and ask them to increase it, you can increase your ad credit up to, I believe it's $5,000, because right now I get charged when my ad account hits $5,000 within the month. And that's massive, because here's the cheat sheet for those of you who are maybe don't have a huge ad budget, right? If you're able to increase your ad budget in November and December, that will allow you to run ads a little higher than normally you couldn't, right? Because let's say you weren't making a ton of money yet. If your ads are getting cut off at $500 and then you have to go pay them, right? That might be a bit of a stretch. I know it has been for me. But if you're able to increase that to like $3,000, you might not have $3,000 when the bill comes. But you know what? That's gonna buy you out way more time to remain super competitive, to get a whole bunch of extra sales, because you're using up a little bit of extra ad credit. You gotta be smart with your ads, because obviously this could get you into a bit of financial trouble if you're not good with this or you're not 100% sure on what you're doing. User beware, so to speak. But that's a strategy that I was able to utilize last holiday season, and it really did save our butt. 110% saved us. That was like the first note that I had here. So I wanted to pass that on to you. Just to be clear, go to Amazon Ads, go to contact us, and then they might even have an option about increasing your ad spend or your ad credit or whatever the case is, but you'll be able to figure it out. You're smart. Do not ignore Black Friday and Cyber Monday, okay? Don't ignore it. Yes, books are not the top selling item for those 2 days. They're usually bigger ticket items, but they are sold, right? People do buy them because there's more people buying impulse stuff. And really, a lot of the holiday season is just impulse buys. And we just want to make sure that our books are the impulse, right? So don't ignore them. You know, I'd start raising your ads even around those 2 days just before Thanksgiving, US Thanksgiving. So your book is very, very visible when the flood of traffic does come.